The previous time I made a post about newbies getting into tech, that they should start with light courses like web design instead of going for heavy courses like data analysis or cyber security. So a lot of people made some comments that I thank God I was able to clarify them because they came to my DM and we discussed and they were able to get clarification. But I'm going to still clarify every other person that is watching so that we can all learn. And even after this video, and you're watching this video from anywhere, depending on your level of expertise, if you feel like you disagree, we can disagree to agree. You can comment and we'll still talk about it. I may be wrong, I may be right. I'm just talking based on my own knowledge and we are all here to learn. So one of the posts I made, somebody said, "Who said data analysis is heavy? Please don't discourage people, I beg." Now, I'm not discouraging people. I've never said data analysis is not good or you shouldn't learn data analysis. But my focus is on newbie. So, and we are talking about easily monetizable skill. So this person that made this statement, he came to my DM, we were talking. He said web design is actually heavier than data analysis. I said, wow, tell me about it. Tell me your experience. He said he started learning web design and the whole coding aspect, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, that the whole thing was so overwhelming. But he's learning data analysis now. He's even understanding better. I simply told him, you are not learning web design the right way. Now, let me clarify this. Being a web designer doesn't mean you must code. Not all web designers are coders. But you can say all coders are web designers. Not all, but most of the coders are web designers because you can actually code a website, all right? But if you want to be a web designer, you mustn't code. Now, this person is feeling like web design is heavier than data analysis because he started off with coding. I told him, have you learned WordPress? He said no. Told him, check out WordPress. You'll find out that most of all these websites that you wanted to be designing by coding, you can actually just get it done with WordPress. We talked and right now he's enrolling in my WordPress course. And let me make it clear. I am coming out clear and mentioning what I teach because you mustn't learn from me. You can go to YouTube, make your research, learn WordPress, learn other things. The only thing is you may not be able to ask somebody questions. So the idea of learning from me is so that you can ask questions anytime. We guide you when you have your own project. We are mentoring you and all of that. So you can learn from anywhere. But if you learn from me, it will also be better for you. Okay?